Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to edit a worksheet, an assignment of PDF. So we will write down here PDF escape on Google. This website will come on our screen. Go for free online. There will be four options: PDF document, creator, upload, and upload from internet. So you need to go for upload. Select a file which is available on your desktop or on your PC. Choose a file here. This file will be coming on your screen. There are this is editable and you can easily edit these options. For example, I am inserting a text here. I have written name, class. Second option is image. We are going to use link. Select the link, go and copy paste the link option here. So this can be used as a link. Next option is white out. Suppose I don't want this area of my worksheet. I want the title to be displayed of my school. So I will hide it by white out. Right. Next is freehand. You can draw freehand drawing. For example, if there are puzzles or MCQs or anything to draw, you can easily use this freehand tool. The next one is form fields. In form fields, there are many things available which we used in Google Forms and other kind of forms like text box, list box. Suppose this is a list box. You can use this list box anywhere to hide the list. So this will be like this. Now we are going to use um, checkbox here. Suppose I want to use checkbox. I want checkbox here, checkbox here. So I will use these options. You can keep checkbox and an off as well. The next option is a radio button. We can use radio button as well if required in our worksheet. These are also on and off buttons, so you can keep them on and off as well. Next option is list box, which we used. Right now I'm using here because there is a list. So I want to hide this list box and want to add my own, so I can do that. So these are some options. Let's insert any image. Select any image from your files and insert it. It will take a few minutes to display. So let's use other option till our picture displays. Annotate. And this you will be using many things. We are using a sticky note. Suppose here I want to use a sticky note and I want to say or convey my message to the children. Write all letters from list. Insert text. Here we can insert any kind of text like I am writing here hours, or suppose I am writing here something else. Find hours by your own, because there is only one word is given, so find by your own. This is underline, highlight options. You can highlight any word, and you can also change the color of highlighter. Strike through option. Suppose some words are wrong, you can underline it. Rectangle option. Suppose you want to use this option for the name, class, and section like this, or you can use an MCQs as well. There is oval option as well, or you can highlight some words with this option, or you can also create a drawing or any kind of picture as well. The next options are and insert. There are rectangle and circle option as well, which are a little bit changed. You can draw any kind of drawing with the help of rectangle, arrow, circle, and here is check mark as well. So you can draw and use these tools as well. Suppose you can draw anything with the help of line as well, like this. So these are some options which we can do. At the end, your PDF will be completed. Now it's time to save and download. But before that, if you want to delete any page, any you want to move or restore or rotate, so you can do from page set. Once your file is edited, now it's time to save and download. So you will go for save your file from here, and there is an icon of download. Click on the download file. After downloading the file will come on your downloads with the same name. Now, if you want to edit it again, you need to open this file again in PDF escape.